guys, it's Miss Irving here, and I am talking to you today about something called a simple machine. And it is a set of Legos that help us learn about the basics of robotics. So before we can get into the coding, we have to understand what makes a robot move. What makes it move fast? What are gears? What are axles? So we're going to learn about all those different things with this set called a simple machine. So I have built the first lesson on our simple machine. I'll just let you take a look at it. So we have two gears here, and it's spinning like this, or you can make it spin like that, but that's a little harder to do. And what I want you to pay attention to is the direction the gears are spinning and how fast they are going. So if we were in class, I would ask you, are they moving at the same speed or are they moving at different speeds? So you'll notice that these gears are both the same size, and so because they're the same size, they're going to move at the same exact speed. Now because they're spinning and those little gears, you see those little ridges are moving together, they're going to be turning in opposite directions. So as I turn it this way, this one is going to go in the opposite direction. So now I want you to think about what would happen if we changed it up a little bit. What would happen if one of these gears was smaller than the other? Would it go faster? Would it go slower? We'll find out in the next video.